In 2016, Kemi Okenyedo founded the Rule of Law and Empowerment Initiative, also known as Partners West Africa Nigeria, PWAN, the first women-led and women-driven organization in Nigeria, dedicated to enhancing citizen participation, improving security and governance. The organization was founded based on a simple but important belief: justice and security reform are too important to be left to government alone. Since then, the organization has grown from 4 staff in a small Abuja office to 88 personnel, consisting of lawyers, reform advocates, researchers, transformative individuals, and community mediators, operating across 8 states with over 50 projects delivered and millions of citizens reached. PWAN's approach is transformative. It connects grassroots voices to policy-making tables, ultimately building systems that directly impact the Nigerian people through initiatives like justice reform, our legal aid model that combines direct services for indigent clients with systematic change, embedding duty solicitors in police stations to prevent unlawful detentions, our public defender's office pilot in Kano State, and digital case management systems that are creating replicable blueprints for justice transformation nationwide. Also, community safety and security. Through mixed observer teams and community safety partnership, PWAN has trained over 300 leaders, women advocates, and mediators, preventing more than 250 potential gender-based violence and community conflict cases. We also have the women-led organizations we support, who are mediating disputes, shaping policies, and driving peace in multiple states. Also, innovative access. Our award-winning Trust for Justice initiative, turning recyclable waste into funds that support detainees, survivors, and pro bono legal work, a circular economy for justice. The result speaks clearly, with 15,000 plus detainees who have received free legal representation. 7,000 plus persons have been released from unlawful detention. 18 plus policy reforms influenced, including the Administration of Criminal Justice Act, Law to the Violence Against Persons Prohibition (VAP) Act. Millions of Nigerians impacted through awareness, advocacy, and reform. At PWAN, we are moving policies from paper to people. We transform justice systems, empower women, and rebuild trust between citizens and the state, ensuring citizens are not just beneficiaries but co-creators of change. We are making a case for impact investment in justice reform and community safety. We have seen the impact of private sector's investment, initiatives like the 2 Times Challenge, which have mobilized a total of $33.63 billion in private sector's investments to support gender equality and women's economic empowerment. Since 2018, contributing to closing the gender labor gap, which ultimately increased annual global GDP. In Nigeria, insecurity and weak justice system don't just affect communities, they directly affect business. Every disruption, every unsafe market costs companies billions. Investing in justice and community safety is therefore not charity. It's smart risk management with social impact. This investment will reduce crime, strengthen local trust, and make business environments safer. By supporting our work, the organization helps build the foundation for stability, the very thing every thriving economy depends on, and promotes investment in a visible economy, such as Nigeria. Looking ahead from 2025 to 2029, our strategy is to deepen access to justice, scale digital legal reform, expand citizen security initiatives, and strengthen civil society resilience while expanding our reach into West Africa. With stronger governance systems and global recognition, PWAN is poised to lead on justice, security, and inclusive governance in the region. We invite partners, investors, and philanthropists to join us, accelerating digital justice, building safer communities, and co-creating a future where justice is not aspirational, but lived.